What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nat, and we back at another banger video. As always, man, y'all see by today's title what we cooking into tonight, man. Getting y'all a little bit of a POV. It's late night. We on the back roads, bro. We gonna push it to the limits a little bit. It's nice and cold, so the car gonna run amazing, man. So bring y'all a little bit of a POV right here real quick. Real lit. Gotta watch out for deers though, y'all. I gotta be careful with those deers out here in this back road. If y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We drop hella bangers, hella POVs, man, and we just gonna get to it. Oh, that sounds beautiful. Like I said, man, I am on the back roads. It do be hella deer out here, man, so let's just hope that we safe and we'll hit one, bro. That's the last thing I want to hit. Well, there's a quarter intake that's going to work right now. I had to turn on the high beams. Straight piping this was the best thing I ever did. I don't know why I went 2 years without having everything cut off for real. That muffler elite just wasn't enough, man. If y'all got a scat, y'all question if y'all need straight pipe it, do it. We get a little straight. This road is always bumpy, and with it being dark, it just make it worse. Hope y'all been enjoying these POV angles a little bit better. I started rocking my phone on my head with a head mount. The phone is heavy as heck, but I switched it up rather than holding my phone. So drop a comment and let me know if y'all like this angle a lot better, man. If so, I'm gonna stick to it. Get out of gear real quick. Oh boy, it's dark as hell. I can't see nothing. I'm doing this for y'all, bro. Oh my gosh, boy, it's dark. I didn't think it was gonna be this damn dark. I know it's late, but damn. Hopefully my exhaust is scaring their ass away. Dang. Well, this car going crazy. It's that cold weather, man. It's 40 degrees out. These cars love that weather. All I hear, man, every time I don't play no music and have the windows up, you can always hear that quarter intake, bro. It's slight. It's just a little bit of a whine, a little bit. And right there go cops right there, matter of fact. I think there's cops. Yeah, it is. Good thing I'm being safe. I'm chilling. Oh yeah. Well, I gotta chill for a second. Told y'all boys it be cops, and they ain't had their radar on. They doing like a welfare check or something. Something happening back there. I gotta chill for a second. Well, that's 3 of them, boy. I was like, why the hell is their headlights facing me? It's cool though. We doing the speed limit, so. And we got this good trusted device, but they ain't had their damn radar on, man, so I couldn't see nothing. I just can't get on that. I gotta give it a second. attention. My keys. Boy, it's dark everywhere I go. That must have my heart beating real quick, boy. 3 cops just sitting there. I really don't know why they was there. I know it's a big behind house over there, but boy, I thought they heard me coming the whole time and was waiting. That would have been bad. Scene right there, boy. A deer or a damn cop? I think I'll take the deer, boy. For real. Let me know if y'all enjoying the straight pipe though, man. At some point I definitely want to go louder for sure. I want to get headers, so I'm trying to make that decision real quick on if I want to do that. It's gonna be a little while, but I just want to get y'all input on it. Oh, there go another charger. I can't see what it is though. Good pops. Well, I get sideways because the wheels can't warm up. It's a nice little road to run it, boy. If you was trying to get some runs in, it's a long road. I don't see no potholes like it. They just repaved it, so this is actually a real nice road if you want to run it for real. Keep that in my brain. I might use this. Damn, y'all hear them rocks coming? I don't know if y'all can, if it's picking it up. Yeah, they definitely just put his asphalt down. trying to get caught up, boy. Y'all see we almost slipped up with them 3 cops. So, like I said, even though we're doing the speed limit, man. Yeah, man, I just want to drop y'all a quick little video, man. Just I like jive with y'all, man. I like dropping content for y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to 3,000 subs. Y'all show consistent love, man. So I know we're gonna hit that with no problem at all. If y'all want to see different videos, man, just drop suggestions, drop comments on what y'all want to see, man, and I'll bring it to y'all on the channel, man. But I thank y'all for this strong, consistent love, man, and we'll be back at with another banger. Peace.